Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. Hope you enjoyed last week's video of the healthy and delicious egg drop soup. If you haven't watched it, we highly recommend that you do. We are including a link to that video in the description below. Before we get into today's video, we would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you are notified when we upload a new video every week. In today's video, we will show you how to make another Chinese takeout classic. We are talking about the delicious shrimp fried rice. This shrimp fried rice is flavorful, colorful, and full of veggies. Let's go over the ingredients. You will need shrimp, day-old rice, carrots, peas and corn, broccoli, eggs, shiitake mushroom, green onion, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and sambal or chili paste. Let's cook. For this recipe, I'm using my cast iron skillet. We will start by adding enough avocado oil to coat the bottom of the pan and add the shrimp. Season the shrimp generously with salt and pepper to taste. Once the shrimp has partially cooked and has changed to pink, transfer to a plate. At this time, the shrimp is not fully cooked. It will finish cooking later on. Next, we will add the shiitake mushrooms. If you don't have shiitake mushrooms, you can omit it. We like to add the shiitake mushrooms because it adds another source of protein and elevates the flavor. The mushrooms we're using are dry. We just rehydrated them by soaking them in water for about 6 hours. Once the mushrooms have browned a bit, add the carrots. The vegetables will be added based on how long they take to cook. Next, we are adding the broccoli. I recommend we keep the broccoli to bite-sized pieces so it cooks evenly. Next, we add the peas and corn and toss until everything is well incorporated. Next, we will push the veggies to one side of the pot in order to cook the eggs. Once we add the eggs to the pan, scramble the eggs and mix with the rest of the veggies. At this time, we will add the rice. Since we're using day-old rice, we will break down the rice with a wooden spoon. Now we're gonna be adding the sauce mixture, which has both the soy sauces and the sambal chili paste. Now it's time to mix until all the rice and veggies has absorbed the sauce. We can tell by how the rice is changing to a darker color. Now it's time to add the shrimp and mix thoroughly. The heat that is in the pan will finish cooking the shrimp. We're not adding any more salt at this time since the soy sauce has salt and the shrimp was previously seasoned. Add black pepper to taste. At this time, turn off the heat and add the green onion and mix thoroughly one more time. And this is how you make shrimp fried rice at home. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. We would like to remind you to follow us on Instagram. We post our meals daily. If you would like us to recreate one of the meals from our Instagram feed, please let us know. Thank you for watching. Bye!